All right, back in the van for another upgrade, getting ready for the Tiaga trip, and this time we're focusing on these rear windows. Specifically, we need to black out these windows for sleeping. I do have this option here. This rolls down and it does black these out. The problem is that to roll this back up when you're in the bed, you actually have to get outside to roll this back up. So you're sitting here sleeping, you wake up, you want to look outside. You actually can't roll this back up without going outside first. So I've bought some covers from Canyon Vans that I'll show you that are going to fit right directly over the windows and will allow us to see from bed. The other thing is they will stay in place and actually zip down and fold out. So pretty excited about them. All right, so let's get the van open. So these new covers are going to sit right on the glass. And let me show you what's in the package. And similar to the vent cover fan, I ordered this from Canyon Vans. Comes in a very small box, 2.5 feet long. Let's see what's in it. Okay, so in it, we have a bunch of magnets with some 3M tape, some alcohol wipes. We have multiple different colored pull handles. I use red on the vent cover, so I will choose red again here. And then you get this neat bag. You can see here, these are pre-cut to fit into those window spaces. So the first thing we're gonna do for the install is we're actually gonna clean around the windows. We're just gonna use the provided wipes. Step stool helps here. This is just wipe off this inside on the glass all the way around. We're gonna be putting that 3M tape fittings here, so you wanna make sure you have a good clean surface for that. To the other side. Again, you're just giving it a good clean. And now we'll let that dry. But while it dries, so taking your covers, you'll be able to feel, and you can kind of see here, see where that's misshapen? That's a magnet. There are 13 that go all the way around. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna find where those magnets are. We're gonna go around and put these magnets right over those with the 3M side tape out. And you wanna just make sure you've got it so it's covering. You wanna make sure it's covering the majority of that magnet. So I'll do all 13. Okay, so you can see here I got this started. What I did is I got this into place. And again, these are cut, so they only fit in one window, right? Like they're not transferable, so make sure you have the right one for the right window. But what I did is I got this up here where I wanted it. And you can see, these are those stick-on magnets, and I've got one over each magnet in the actual cover itself. I just lined up where those were, where I needed those magnets to sit. And I got the top in. Now that the top's in, that'll hold itself. So I'll just continue to do the process and work my way around. My next one's here. So the process is I literally get this up where it needs to go, come in here, peel this backing off, glue that magnet each here, and just work my way all the way around. All right, so that's a super quick and easy install. Last thing I have to do is change out my pulls. And again, I'm going with red because that's what I used on the inside for the vent fan. And to do these, you just go up through, up the rabbit hole. That's done. All right, so the cool thing about these is, of course, you can unzip them, right? And roll back on themselves. Zip up, zip up, and they can stay on while you drive. If you do want to take them off, again, it's all held on by magnets, so it's not a huge deal. This is a simple and easy upgrade if you want to do it to your camper van. All told, I think both sides took me 10 minutes, so highly recommend it. If you want to see the video where I did the vent fan install I've been talking about, you can click here. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.